Hello guys, you're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2004. The given question is consider the relation student with the columns name, sex, marks, where the primary key is underlined. Okay, so the name is the primary key. Okay, partitioning to student in a class that has a less at least one boy and one girl. Okay, so the minimum count is there should be one boy and one girl. Okay, so now they are asking what does the following relational algebra produce. So here row indicates a rename, so this particular row I mean. Okay, yes, so where did they use? They used here. Okay, yes. Okay, so let us start. So here we are having two queries. So which query shall we start first, guys? So let us start with this query because that's really small, right? Yes. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so first of all, what we are trying to do, we are selecting the female students, right? Yes, and we are just getting their data here, their names. Okay, so let us assume the female names as X, Y, Z. Okay, so let us assume only 3 students, guys. A, B, C are boys, X, Y, Z are girls. Okay, yes. Okay, so now in the second part, what we are doing, guys, so pi name, so we are applying symmetrical difference between these two. Okay, so here also we are trying to print the names of students concatenated with the students where sex is female. So here also we are checking for female students in this table and X equal to male. So from this table we are selecting male students and marks is less than or equal to M. Okay. So here I think we are indirectly searching for some good marks, right, or highest marks, right? Yes. Okay, so I think I understood the exact thing which they are trying to do. So let us take a small example. So X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Okay, so what marks shall we give, guys? So let us give 100 marks for the X. So for Y let us give 50. For Z let us give 75. When it comes to A, let us give 99. For B let us give 49. For C let us give 51. Okay, yes, I took almost middle values, guys. So 199, 75, 51, 50, 49. So in that way, like one after the other, like one boy, one girl, one boy, one girl, in that way. Okay, I think even taking 4 will be a bit, 6 will be a bit higher, right? So let us eliminate the last people, guys. So let us eliminate Y here and let us eliminate B here. And let us rename this to Y and let us rename this to B. Okay, so X and Y is available and Z and C I have eliminated them. Okay, yes. Okay, so now let us start. So this is the student table. Okay, so let me write down the row. This is student table also. So X equal to 100, Y equal to 75, A equal to 99, E equal to 51. Okay. So now what we are doing is from this student table, because in student table the name is X, sex and marks, right? Yes, and when it comes to this student table it is X and this M. Okay, I'm rounding them off. Okay, yes. So now first of all in this table we are only selecting a female students. Okay, so who are female students, guys? X and Y, right? Okay, so in this I'm going to select X and Y, and in this I'm going to select a male student, so A and B. A and that's B, right? My bad. Okay, yes. Okay, so now we are comparing the students who are having marks, this marks less than or equal to this marks. Okay, so is 100 less than or equal to 75, 99? No. Is 100 less than or equal to 51? No. Is 75 less than or equal to 99? Yes. Okay, so this particular thing will be selected. Is 75 less than or equal to 51? Yes. So this thing will be selected for sure, guys. So Y is selected here at the end of the day, right? Yes. So now we are performing subtraction between X comma Y minus Y. So indirectly the end result is X. So to be clear, who is X, guys? X is the topmost scorer, right? Yes. Okay, yes. So she is the topper, you can say, right? Yes. Okay. So now let us go through the options. So option A says that names of girl students with the highest marks. Okay, so I think we cannot say it is highest marks because here we are comparing with boys marks, right? So with respect to boys marks, the highest all marks will be printed, right? Yes. So I think this option, let us keep it aside for now. So option B says that name of a girl students with more marks than some boys in the student. Okay, so if this particular case is correct, okay, then 75 should also come, right? Because 75 is greater than 51, so it is not some, guys. So it should be all students. Okay, so now moving on to option C. Option C says that name of girl students with marks not less than some boys. So that's also wrong. So basically it should be all. Okay, yes. So I think that's what option D is saying. So name of girl students with marks more than all boy students. Yes, this is absolutely correct, right? Yes. Because why we got 75 here? Because 75 is satisfying both of them, right? Yes. Right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this, right? Yes. Okay. Yes. So in option A, they are not even comparing with boys. So that is the reason why I think we can directly eliminate option A, right? Yes. Okay. So I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay. Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.